Hi, it's Barry. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share the August cloth and paper stationery subscription box with you. I just received it and I think it is one of the nicest boxes that I've gotten in several years that I've been receiving these. I thought that the quality and the curation of this box was really stellar. I think that we have some unique items here and it was really, really well thought out. As you know, this box is all about reading and this is incredible. Look how many inserts you get in the bibliophile insert bundle. It's got a great cover sheet that can be your dashboard if you're going to use this in a section of your planner or if you're going to just devote a planner to reading and using this. So let's go through what's in here. You've got a reading log, then you have lots of pages of monthly reads, many pages of the book log, and also lots of index pages. I thought this was a brilliant addition to have vocabulary pages. Think of all the times that we pick up a word and we want to remember that or use that. So that's a great addition. And it ends with a wish list with lots of room to write. So we all saw a sneak for this, and this is cloth and paper branded, okay, the everyday carry-all. And obviously this would also be good if you decided to use this for carrying liquids. So you've got two snaps there, and then this is an inside pocket. But the insert of it is what's really exciting to me. It matches and goes along with the nylon pencil case that we got in the July box. If you saw my last video of the July box, you know that I decided to use mine for cords. I've got all my different cords in here and AC adapters, etc. Now that works perfectly if you're going to travel and you want to just pick this up and stick it in your bag, but I have it on a shelf so that if I need a cable to charge my mouse or keyboard or whatever it is, I can just grab a cable that I need right out of here. Back to this insert. You've got a pocket here, a snap closure, and then two net pockets. And I was thinking, since this would either be in a work bag or maybe a tote if you're traveling, or maybe you're going to use it in your purse, that it might be a good place if you use an air tag to put that in. It fits perfectly in here. Just the air tag fits in the small pocket, and obviously it fits well inside also. There's a complete set of highlighters in here. Perfect for reading and perfect for using in your planner. And the colors are really pretty interesting. Show you the guide here and see how well that shows up. I did a little bit of a test of a couple of the colors. Of course, you knew I had to try the green color. And so you get, they're double-sided, so you can underline something while you're reading and then also highlight. Just perfect. The journal cards, of course, we have the normal month. And then we've got two really nice journal cards. And then we have a really important journal card, especially for this box. It's the annotation journal card. It gives you some guidance on how to read actively and avoid skimming and build better understanding. And it gives you hints, including using some of the items in the box to improve your reading experience. I think we all saw the sneak of the read sticky note. I think this is really nice. I think it's great for reading, but I think it will also work really well for other uses with your planner. As usual, at this time of year, we get the new layout for the Vertical Weekly, and you can try them out before you pick out your 2023 items. So all of them have been coming with beautiful black and white cover sheets, and I've actually been using these as a front dashboard in some of my planners. They look great. We have Duo sticky notes, blank and graph, going to be appreciated by a lot of people. The Duo notes inserts are very popular. We got a Duo dashboard set, and it is beautiful. I love these where you have the half page and then the full dashboard following it. And this dashboard is double-sided, beautiful photography in a very, very dark olive. And I love what this says. The lines between fiction and reality are fluid, setting our deepest inspirations into fruition. And this and the text on the front was written by Vanessa at Cloth and Paper. Great job. This novella embossed on the page. It's lovely. Was there something I forgot to show you? Only joking. This is really my favorite. The Luxe page flags. They're transparent and they're beautiful. I pulled one off for each so that you could see what it looks like on white, and then also hanging off of a page if you want to do that. They're very thin, they're rounded, and I think they are exceptional. So of course we're having a contest. I'll be giving one lucky winner something from this box. Enter is simple. Be sure you're subscribed, like the video, and leave a comment below telling me your favorite item from the box. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time around.